We all deal with digestive discomfort at different times, right? Depending on what we eat, or just sometimes stress can wreak havoc on our stomachs. So for that reason, I wanted to include Digestzen in the oil experience. It's one of my favorite essential oils because it just works when you're feeling any kind of digestive upset. Gas pains, bloating, indigestion, constipation, even diarrhea. You can place a drop on your belly and rub it clockwise around your belly button, or you can even take a drop of this and place it right under your tongue. You just need a drop and you're going to feel relief. Keep applying as needed until you feel better. Even today, if you don't have a stomach discomfort problem, so go ahead and try it before a meal and right after a meal and see if you notice any difference. I'm excited for you to try this essential oil. It's not one I have to turn to every day, but let me tell you, when I need it, I'm glad I have it.